Hey, it's Steven with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Happy New Year! Happy New Year 2022. We're gonna start the year today with a simple recipe that is going to be very healthy for you and not too much. If you're trying to stay on diet, this is going to work for you. You don't have to do too much, okay? So today we're going to be brining potatoes. Yes, I did say that. I said brine. We're not going to be doing baked potatoes. It's going to be brine potatoes. The reason why we brine potatoes is to achieve a delicious potato with crispy and flavorful skin. I like to eat the skin of my potatoes. I don't know about you, but I eat my whole potatoes. I don't leave the skin out. When I bake it or brine it, I eat all of it. Same with my sweet potatoes. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with russet potatoes. That's how I say, is it russet potatoes? I'm not really sure. But you want to use this type of potatoes because it's gluten-free and it's a good source of potassium. It's also rich in vitamin C and is perfect for roasting. You're also going to need salt and black pepper, something to poke holes on the potatoes. So I have here just a regular fork and olive oil. Of course, you also need your air fryer. We're going to be using an air fryer because I'm just making for myself. So you can use the same technique to put it in an oven to bake it. And some water. So in my bowl, I'm going to pour my water, half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, let's start by washing the potatoes first. I have washed my potato and I'm just going to poke some holes on it. Okay, place your potato in the bowl. Oh my goodness, it doesn't fit. Look at that. Put the potato in the bowl and just make sure that the water touches the potato, the salted water touches the potato all around. Now that you have coated your potatoes well, you're going to place this into your air fryer. If you have an air fryer that needs to be preheated, you have to preheat this at 350 degrees. I'm going to turn mine at 350 degrees, about right there. And I'm going to bake this for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 45 minutes, we're going to check on the potatoes. After 1 hour of cooking at 350 degrees, we'll remove our potato. It's pretty hot, so be careful. We're going to add our olive oil and brush it on the potato. Make sure to brush all around and be careful not to burn yourself. This is going to give us that crusty, tasty skin. I'm going to put it back in my air fryer and cook it for 15 more minutes and it will be ready to be eaten. It's ready. Here's the best part. So when I'm going to cut this, you're going to hear the cracky sound of this. Okay? Sounds like crispy French toast. You want to make sure you cut that a little bit so that it can release. It's really hot. Release the heat. Ooh, it's hot. See that? On top of that, I'm gonna add some butter. I like mine with butter. See how that butter is melting? That's what you want. Salt I'm gonna season that just a little bit. Black pepper. And of course my favorite, parsley. Just garnish that with some parsley. Red pepper flakes. This is going to give you that color as well as that little kick of pepper. It's time to go in. When you break it with the skin, oh my god.